Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to appeal negative feedback on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll cover how to appeal negative feedback on Amazon. Dealing with negative feedback can be frustrating, especially when it feels unfair or when it negatively impacts your seller rating. However, there are steps you can take to appeal or resolve such feedback effectively. First, it's important to review the feedback carefully. Understand what the customer is saying and determine whether it violates Amazon's feedback policies. For instance, feedback that includes offensive language, personal information, or relates specifically to the product rather than the seller's service may be eligible for removal. If you believe the feedback falls under these categories, you can request Amazon to remove it. To appeal the feedback, log into your Seller Central account and navigate to the Feedback Manager under the Performance tab. Here, you can find the specific feedback in question. If you believe it violates Amazon's policies, click on the Request Removal option next to the feedback. Amazon will review your request, and if it meets their criteria, they may remove the feedback. If the feedback doesn't qualify for removal under Amazon's guidelines, the next best step is to respond to the feedback professionally. In your response, acknowledge the customer's concerns and offer a solution or an explanation. This not only shows potential customers that you care about their experience, but it also demonstrates your commitment to excellent customer service. In some cases, you may also want to reach out to the customer directly through Amazon's messaging system to resolve the issue. If you're able to fix the problem to their satisfaction, you can politely ask if they would consider removing or updating their feedback. Remember, while not all negative feedback can be removed, handling it professionally can still positively impact your business by showing your dedication to customer service. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.